Okay, it's time to get out of the shop. The owner's coming back today. So here's what we got done. We glued up some panels for a cabinet door in the head, an under sink cabinet in the galley. We made a tabletop. We made a door for our pantry. And then we made two cabinet face frames with all their doors and everything. These are the doors. You're looking at the backs of the doors because the panels aren't secured yet. These are notched so that there's a cabinet on each end and a shelf in the center. Port and starboard over the settees in the main salon. And so a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cabinet doors when you count the head cabinet. So the boat originally had 12 cubbies about this size, and we kept the bottom 4, and then we're building cabinets for the top of that area. So face frame for that, and then we did a bunch of shaping of wood. We have a pack of this thin stuff that we're going to use to face some of the cabinets that we're not changing in the galley. And we have some wood left over that we're going to do a couple of shelf fiddles out of in the V-berth and behind the sofas in the settee. And that's it. All of it was made out of this Batu deck board. So this is the original basically 1x6 shape of the board, and we've been cutting them down to various dimensional lengths. We have the jointer, the planer, the table saw, the shop foreman, and lots of little hand tools, sanders, chisels, chop saw. There's a bandsaw that we never had any good luck with, and most importantly, a wood stove, and tons of clamps, which we used almost all of at one point. So it's a pretty good haul for the basically 2 weeks worth of work that we put into this particular part of the project. We're pretty happy to be done with all this. There is, of course, more we could do if we had access to the shop forever, but we don't want to be greedy. So that's the story.